Group chat on Snapchat is a great way to stay connected with friends and family. In this video, I will show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. I'll walk you through the steps of adding friends to a group chat and then show you how to start chatting. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to create a group chat on Snapchat. To get started, first open up the Snapchat application and then tap on the chat icon at the bottom left of the screen. Once you are on the chat screen, tap on the new message icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now you have the option to create a new group chat on Snapchat, where you can chat with up to 100 friends. So go ahead and tap on that. And then tap on where it says new group name and give a name to your group. And then scroll down this list of people and select your friends that you want to add to this group chat. Once you have selected all of your friends, tap on Chat with Group to create a group chat. And then you can send messages, snaps, and anything that you like. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.